Good morning, sir. I am Ganar Clint Kinokyu from Barangay Libertad, Aboyog Leyte. I am 21 years old and I am a Bismar 3 Bravo. The question asks how tangible and immaterial components make up a human person and how these components affect decision making. Let me discuss first the tangible components. The tangible components, these are the physical parts of a person that can be seen or touched, such as the body, brain, senses, and nervous system. In decision making, the tangible parts allow us to receive information through our senses and process it in the brain. For example, if I feel tired or sick, my body influences me to decide to rest. Another example is when I feel hungry. That physical influences uh, that physical feeling influences me my decision to eat. The physical conditions affect how I think and act. Once a decision is made, the tangible body carries out through muscles, movement, speech, or other physical actions. For instance, the decision to pick up a book involves the physical coordination of hands and arms. The brain, a tangible organ, is the primary center for processing information, forming thoughts, and initiating responses. Hormones and neurotransmitters, which are biochemicals produced by the body, also influence mood, energy levels, and cognitive functions, thereby impacting decision making. Now I will discuss the immaterial components. The immaterial components, these are the non-physical aspects of a person. These include mind, emotions, consciousness, values, beliefs, and free will. These components guide the internal process of choosing what is right and wrong. For example, my conscience and personal values helps me to decide whether an action is moral, kind, or responsible. Another example is if I value honesty, that belief influences my decision to tell the truth even when it is difficult. Another example also is the fear of failure might lead someone to study harder, or empathy might drive a person to help someone in need. One of the role of immaterial components in decision making is through the reasoning and logic. The intellect allows for rational thought, analysis of information, problem solving, and evaluating potential outcomes. This is where we weigh pros and cons, predict consequences, and choose the most logical path. Also, the past experiences stored in our memory provide a reference point for our current decisions. We learn from previous success and failures. And also, this is a gut feeling or an immediate understanding that doesn't rely on conscious reasoning. It's often based on accumulated subconscious knowledge and experience. On how tangible and immaterial components works together, here is an example. Consider the decision to cross a busy road. For example, your eyes, that is tangible. You can see cars moving quickly. Your ears, you can hear the sound of traffic. This sensory information is sent to your brain. And then your mind processes this information, recognize the danger, assess the speed of the cars, and calculates potential gaps in the traffic. Your memory, that is immaterial, recalls past experience of crossing roads or warning about traffic. Also, the feeling of fear or caution, that is immaterial, arises, prompting you to be careful. That is immaterial. Then also your inherent value for safety reinforce the need to make careful decisions. That is how the tangible and the immaterial component works together. There is also an interaction. The brain, that is tangible, integrates all this information, sensory data, rational analysis, emotional cues, and personal values. In decision formation, based on this integrated assessment, your mind, that is immaterial, forms a decision. I should wait for the traffic to clear, or there's a safe gap now so that also I can cross. If the decision is to cross your brain tangible, send signal to your muscles also tangible to walk across the road. If the decision is to wait, your body remains still. Therefore, a human makes decisions through the combined influence of our physical body and our inner values and emotions. Thank you, sir. That's all.